guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Ordinary Just Won't Do by Commissioned. It's going to be in the key of F natural. So, let's start off with the intro. I'm going to play the melody. Okay, that's the intro. So you're playing an F major, the melody, to a D minor, to a G minor. Then you're going to play D minor, C major, B flat, F over A. Then you're going to play a D9 sus4, which is a C major on top of D. Then you're going to play a C9 sus4, which is a B major, B flat major, on top of C. And that's the intro. Playing the melody in octaves, okay? Okay, then the first two verses have the same progression. Have you ever needed someone whose shoulder just to cry on, to ease the agony and find tranquility, or just to have the sweet and gentle touch that speaks of words that mean so much? The ordinary just won't do. Lord, I need someone. Lord, I need someone. That someone is you. That someone is you. Okay, so those chords are the same chords for both verses. So you start off, if you ever needed someone, F major to D minor, whose shoulder just to cry on G minor. Then you're going to go to this F9, which is basically a C over F, to an E7 sharp 9 sharp 5. Resolve that sharp 9 to a flat 9, then G to F. Then you're going to go to A minor 7. Then you're going to go to D minor. Then G minor. Some fine tranquility just to have. Okay. Then a B flat major 9 to D 9 sus4. And then F over A. And do the same thing again. Raise the C to C sharp. Then you're going to go to B flat major 9. Ordinary just won't do. Lord, I need someone. Lord, I need someone. That's some. Then we're going to go to B flat major 7. That someone is you. Okay, that's a D over F sharp. Then we do a 2-5-1. Someone is you. Play the intro, and this time you're gonna go, it's just a C, B flat minor. Then we do the verse again. Quest in order to find what lies in my heart, my soul, and my mind. Sometimes tranquility, sometimes there's misery. I've got to learn, share their innermost and secret thoughts. Ordinary just won't do. Lord, I need someone. Same chords. Lord, I need someone. Here we go. verse is going to be a little different. And we're going to go, Lord, I need a special touch. F to D minor, to G minor. Then we're going to go this. So let's say A minor 7 to D minor. Then we're going to walk up, G minor, A minor, B flat. Problems in your life. F over A. Now G minor to understand. Then the G minor, and then we're going to go to F. We're going to go B flat. We're going to go to B flat, to F over A, then we're going to go to G over B. Problems in your life so complex, say who can comprehend? So let's try that again. Problems in your life so complex. So the C minor 7 to F9, which is the E flat on top of F, then A minor, then B flat, major 9. Tragedy when you need. This is the E minor 7 flat 5, relief, A7 flat 9. Jesus Christ, only Jesus Christ can supply your need. Go to the G7, then ordinary just won't do. Now this is familiar. Lord, I need someone. Lord, I need someone. Someone is you. Someone is you. And then we're going to go to the vamp at the end. So let me go through that section with the words so you can kind of see it more in context. So, Lord, I need a special touch that will mean so very much. Close friends, they don't seem to understand. Problems in your life so complex, say who can comprehend? Tragedy when you need relief, only Jesus Christ can supply your need. Sweet and gentle touch that will speak a word of love that means so much. Ordinary just won't do. Lord, I need someone. Lord, I need someone. That someone is you. That someone. Now the vamp. Ordinary just won't do. Need a love that's pure and true. I can always find it in you, Jesus. The ordinary just won't do. I gotta have a touch from you. I can always find it in you. Ordinary just won't do. The love that's pure and true. I can always find it in you, Jesus. Ordinary just won't do. I gotta have a touch from you. I can always find it. So, you start off F, A minor, D minor, to a G minor. Then we're gonna go to D minor. Then A minor. Then G minor. Then we're gonna do a classic walk up. Then we're gonna do a classic walk up. just won't do. I need love that's pure and true. I can always find it in you, Jesus. The ordinary just won't do. I gotta have a touch from you. I can always find it in you, Jesus. And that is pretty much the whole song.